What's up everybody? If you're here, then you probably agree with me that Wallpaper Carousel is just like Temu, it's the pits. When you lock your screen and you open your screen again, there is this icon here that is very intrusive, very irritating, and absolutely useless to you. I mean, at least put something that I want there, right? But you want to swipe away, you want to get rid of it, it's asking you or forcing you to agree. Nope, I don't want to agree. And this is somewhat a native application, so you can't really find it in the settings. That is how they buried it. Let me show you how to get rid of this thing once and for all from HyperOS. Now to do this, just open your settings app, and inside of your settings app, just scroll down to apps. And inside of apps, simply go into manage apps. And once you're inside of manage apps, let it load and you can look for carousel. And once you find carousel, just tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can tap on uninstall. You can also alternatively scroll down until you find Wallpaper Carousel. This is alphabetically stored, so you'll find it at the bottom. It's gonna be almost near the end of this list because it's W. So Wallpaper Carousel is gonna be somewhere around here. It's WA, and there it is. Once you locate it, just tap in and tap uninstall. So once you find it and uninstall, so I'm gonna just uninstall it now by tapping uninstall, and I'm gonna tap OK. Uninstall now is the question. Uninstall will remove all app and data. Yes, please remove everything. Okay, and now it's gonna remove it, and it's now removed. So when you go back to your lock screen and check again, you're gonna see the Xiaomi home button, and this is just gonna be your Google Wallet, whatever you put in this Xiaomi phone. So when you swipe right, Wallpaper Carousel is no longer there. You can have your own wallpaper that you prefer here instead of the Wallpaper Carousel. And that's pretty much how easy it is to get rid of Wallpaper Carousel. So thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if this helped you at all, and let me know in the comments down below if it did. Subscribe if you want to see similar videos to this one, and till next time, peace.